I debated with one man in train. I said, you tell me one point. Is your constitution complete and perfect? Yes or no? I said, हाँ जी, हमारा तो constitution, हम lawyer हैं, हम तो पढ़ चुके हैं. Very good. I said, where is the, what does your constitution have for a sadhu? Tell me. Sadhu does not earn money. Sadhu actually should also not take a lot of donations. Otherwise, this scandals happen. If you have a lot of money, then for money, a lot of girls will come and Babaji, Babaji. and then Babaji will become Buaji and then, you are gone. So, Sadhu, Chanakya says clearly, Sadhu should not deal very closely with money and woman. They should always keep a check and balance, as much as required. Deal with them. With women, you can deal as mothers, take their blessings. And with money, you should deal as much as required for the project. Okay, laptop lena hai, paisa diya, khel khatam. Extra idhar nahi rakhne ka, idhar rakha to, train ke bajaye flight se jayenge. Aur flight mein thoda dekh ke jayenge. And then you're gone. Then sadhu no more remains a sadhu. But I told him, okay, a sadhu, I don't earn. I left all my salary, I left all my job for the welfare of people. Now it is the duty of government to give me free tickets. If I go somewhere, there should be a quota. Okay, he goes, then you should give him. Just keep a quota for me. Keep a normal seat, no problem. Or keep a lakdi seat, no problem. But give me a confirmed seat. Why you are forcing me to take donations? Okay, I want to build a temple. Earlier, if the sadhu goes to a king and says that I want to open a Gurukul here. Enough! If the king says no, the next king will kick him. Maar dalega. Bole tune sadhu ko nahi kaise bol diya? When Lord Ramchandra was asked by Vishwamitra, Dashrath could not say anything. When Lord Nityananda was asked by one sadhu, his father Hadai Pandit could not say anything. Because that is the level of sadhu. Earlier the sadhus of that level. Honest, only for society, dedicated, for welfare, for higher cause. Now there are dollars, you have put dollars everywhere. So I told him, where is your constitution? It does not have any security for sadhu. There is no security for woman. Now you are debating whether 16-year-old man can be put in jail or he should be outside. He's very loving boy. He was so loving boy. What is he doing there? वहां क्या कर रहा था वो बस में? नहीं कैमरा है बज गया नहीं तो आज बहुत देता था मैं. आजकल क्या करते इतना सी क्लिप मार के निकाल देते तो. So it is not like that. The king had the guts to take decision. Yes, kill him. Simple. If somebody rapes and is a genuine raper, just put him in public. Cut his toy, give him it in his hand, and say, Jai ho. Yes, you do it once. I'll tell you, if there is any one Kshatriya, if he just does it once, finish from Srinagar to Kanyakumari, even boys will look down. They will not have guts to do anything. You understand, na? So there is no need of, there are 5 years of trial and that girl is asked 100 questions. How embarrassing it is. Just imagine if any of your sister or mother had to undergo this situation. How you will feel? You think, every day, I personally know I cried one day when I was going in Vrindavan and one small girl, I will say, 12 साल का रहेगा इतना सा. बाबा बोले क्या हुआ? बोले वो लड़का मेरे को खींच के लेके जा रहा है. I was so angry. I looked behind. He ran away with his cycle. And I ran. I beat him. I said, भागा इधर फट करके वो साइकिल से गिर गया. Then people asked क्या हुआ? बोले वो लड़की को छेड़ रहा था. ब्रजवासी ने दनादन दिया. मैं बोला शाबाश. एक प्रोजेक्ट तो अपने हाथ से अच्छा हुआ है. क्या है sometimes बड़ा भाषण देना अच्छा रहता है लेकिन ground work is reality. Just imagine. You are unprotected. You have created a situation where everything is money. Idiots. We don't have to vote. We don't have to select these people. You have to run a system of monarchy where you declare a king and a mard. So here we accepted materialism instead of spiritualism, and that is where we collapsed.